Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCambridgeSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of Cambridge International AS and A level and O level. Today, I shall explain some sample question for the topic for circular measure, Mathematics 9709, and the paper is paper 1, pure mathematics 1. So let's start for the introduction and some sample question of the circular measure. Circular measure means measuring angle in radians rather than degrees. It's centered to paper 1 topic on trigonometry and geometry. The key points is definition of the radian, angle subtracting an arc length equal to the radius of the circle has measure radians, measure in the radian. Conversion, we shall convert, in order to convert the radians into degree, the formula is, as you can see, that 1 degree is equal to pi over 180. And after that, the arc length formula is s equal to r theta, and the area of the sector is 1 by 2 r square theta. Let's start for the sample question, but many questions and their solution will be available on the website KingCambridgeSolution.com. The question is, a sector of circle has radius 9 centimeter and area is 60 centimeter square. Find the angle at the center in radius. So first of all, the area is given. We shall find out the angle. So for the part 1 solution, the area is a equal to 1 by 2 r square theta. The value given is 60. After simplification, we get theta equal to 1.4 radians. So when the area is given, we can find out the angle of the sector. For the part B, hence find the length arc formula is s equal to r theta. S equal to r theta, the value of r is 9 and the theta, as we have calculated in part A of this question, is equal to 1.48148. After simplification, we get s equal to 13.3 centimeter. For the part C, express both answer correct to the 3 significant figures. So let's start to show that up to 3 significant figures. If theta equal to 1.48 radian, then the roughly 1.8 into, we are converting it into degree. 180 over pi is equal to 84.8, which is reasonable for the given sector area. The results are consistent. So the main question is how we can find out the number of question and their solution for the 100% success in the Cambridge International are given on the CambridgeInternationalSolution.com website. How to access the solution of the remaining question? First of all, the first step is you will open the website KingCambridgeSolution.com. After that, you will click on the right top corner, you will click on the login register. When you click on the login register, you will find the interface like this, as you can see that on the screen. You will click on the sign up button as shown in the arrow. When you click on the sign up button, you will get this interface. Provide your username, password, and after that click on the sign up. You will successfully sign up to the website, or you can manually log into the website. When you create the user password after sign up, you will automatically sign in to the website. But you can also manually sign in to the website by using your email address and password. After, when you click on the login, you will be logged into the website. After that, after the login, go to the courses section. In the menu, go to the courses section and click on the course list. When you click on the course list, you will find the different course available on the website. Like you can see that on the top right section, there is a category section. You can select the category in which you want to study, like the past paper, like the topic, and all other things that you need on this website. When you select the category, after that you will see the different solution available in that category, like the past paper solution, topical solution, or other. When you click on the preview course, as shown in the arrow button, you will get the interface like this. This interface will become. First of all, you will click on the add to cart. After adding to the cart, after that you will click on the buy now button. When you click on the Buy Now button, you will get the interface like this. You will select the stripe. You will select the stripe option for this. When you select the stripe option for this, fill the stripe particulars according to your data, according to your credentials. After providing the card information, click the submit button. When you click the submit button, after that, go to the top right corner of your profile and select the order history. When you click on the order history, you will check that the courses that you have bought will come visible on this section on in the order history. When you click on the title of the topic, you will check the you will check that in the course content section you will see two icons. One is for the PDF icon and other is for the video icon. When you click on the PDF icon, PDF file will be downloaded for the question one. And when you click on the video icon, the video solution for question number one will be downloaded to your local. So in this way, you will download all the PDF and video file of your course in the course content section. Best of luck. See you in the next question.